Good morning everyone. I am Ragavi working as an assistant professor in the Department of Biochemistry, JJ College of Arts and Science. Now we see on a topic of stem cell. Stem cell is a leading topic in a medical field nowadays. What is meant by a stem cell? Stem cell can be defined as an indefinitely dividing and give rise to a variety of other cell type is known as a stem cell. One of the example for the stem cell is the hematopoietic stem cell, which give rise to all body cells in the body, blood cells in the body. What is meant by an stem cell and where it get from the we get the stem cell? We know it from the in detail in a slide. Stem cell is nothing but an egg and sperm fertile. It forms a zygote. Zygote give rise to a first cleavage division, and in a day 1 of fertilization it give rise to a 2 cell stage, and second day of after fertilization it give rise to a 4 cell stage. After third day of fertilization it gives the early morula, and fourth day after the fertilization late morula. On the day of sixth and seventh day of after fertilization it gives rise to a blastula. In the blastula stage itself known as a stem cell. Stem cell we get from an egg and sperm, which gives rise to a fertile egg which forms the zygote, and first clivatic division, next second cell division, next fourth cell stage, morula, late morula, and blastula stage is known as an stem cell. In stem cell, there are two type of stem cell, that is embryonic stem cells, that it is also known as a pluripotent, can give rise to a type of cell in our body. It can give rise to any type of cell in our body, that is the embryonic stem cell. In the embryonic stem cell we get from a fertile egg and a sperm. Adult stem cell are known as a multipotent stem cell. They are the more limited type of cell that can give rise. Pluripotent is more potential than the multipotent stem cell. This is that the oocyte and sperm fertilizes to give the totipotent stem cell. Next it give rise to a blastula stage. In the blastula stage, the cells can be give rise to any type of cells in our body. That is in the cardiac cells, neurotic cells, immune system, that is the IgG, IgM, IgA, interferons, interleukins. It can be give rise to any type of cell. Nowadays in the medical field, the stem cell are used for the treating the cancerous cells also. Totipotency. What is meant by an totipotency? These are the terminologies which are involved in the stem cell. That is the ability to produce any type of cell. That is example is zygote, embryo plus placenta. Pluripotent, that is ability to produce any cell leakage. That can be differentiated into germ layer. That is the pluripotency. Multipotency, the ability to produce any kind of cell within a cell leakage, that is the blood cell. If you damage the white blood cell, red blood cell of multipotency when can generate the white blood cell. Unipotency, the ability to produce only one kind of cell, that is the hepatocytes, that is liver cell damage, that is unipotent stem cell can synthesize only the liver cells. This is actually an egg. This is the stage of 8 cells, that is the fourth day after fertilization of an egg, cell has to be dividing, that is in the morula stage, early morula stage. Next, differential events. The embryonic stem cell enters the first differential event at an 8 cell morula stage. Each of these totipotent cell express two germ layers, that is the CDX2 and OCT3/4, that is two germ layers in the stem cell at an totipotent cells. In an morula stage, at the morula stage of innermost cell, no longer express the CDX2 germ layer. They loses the germ expression due to the position in the differential event. This is the event of fertilization in an egg and sperm. When it is both the nucleus of the sperm and egg combines in an meiosis cell division, it forms an zygote. Zygote in an first clevatic division, it give rise to an 2 cell formation, next 4 cell formation, next 8 cell formation, and next 16 cell, and after 6th to 7th day it give rise to a blastolar stage. In the blastolar stage, the fertilized egg and cells are best for the implantation in the uterus. When it implants in the uterus, it develops into an embryo. When we receive from the in the blastolar stage from the outside, it acts as a stem cell. This is the stage of late morula stage, that is the 16 cell stage. Next, differentiation. As these pluripotent cells divides continuously to be affected by their changing position, the changing position and resulting in the changing the environment will result in other differential event. It contains an 3 stem cell germ layers. That is, the 3 layers are very important in the stem cell layers. That is, the as gastrulation occurs, 3 layers of the pluripotent stem cells are created. That is ectoderm, mesoderm, endoderm. Ectoderm give rise to a skin and nervous system in a developing embryo, and mesoderm give rise to a blood, bone and muscles in a developing embryo. Endoderm give rise to a guts and liver in a developing embryo. This is the stage of blastula. This is the actually 3 layer, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and an endoderm in a blastula stage. This is the actual stem cell which can be used in any type of cell which can be repaired in our body. This is the stage of last morula. This is also a cell. These are the stem cells. These are also a dividing cells. This is the actual blood cells. Blood cells which are used in an electron microscopic imaging of a normal blood cells. Thank you.